Attitude, where we tell you your future.
Scorpio 2021 horoscope, a look at the year ahead. The Scorpio horoscope advises discretion, which can sometimes be difficult for Scorpios to manage. Keep your romantic relationships on the down low. Keep information about your work and finances to yourself as well. Being too social about these things may put them in jeopardy. Also, try to live this year coyly. Doing so will lead you to success. 2021 Scorpio travel horoscope. Scorpios are attracted to new places and individuals, evading the self-evident. They are most charmed by areas that are off the radar. Those conceived under this sign appreciate driving themselves to see more and accomplish more than the normal voyager. Be set up to play hard when going with Scorpio. When this sign has its mind concentrated on something, they aren't fulfilled until the point that it's entire. Their schedule will be goal-oriented and brimming with groundbreaking encounters. Scorpions love to occasion in those colorful spots that typically others don't go to. Going by the pyramids in Egypt and the Great Wall of China would dependably speak to them. They can withstand any climatic conditions. Bundle and guided visits are not their concept of occasion. Scorpios are overcome and enthusiastic. They are regular conceived pioneers who once in a while enjoy a reprieve. Scorpio horoscope 2021 family life. In the year 2021, the family life of Scorpio zodiac natives is expected to be very volatile because the beginning of the year does not seem to be very favorable. Take care of parents at the beginning of the year, or else they may have to face health-related problems. You need to take special care of your father's health between January 14th to February 12th, as he is likely to suffer from diseases. After this, the time from 6th April to 15th September and then from 20th November to the end of the year is expected to be much better for you in terms of your family. Peace will prevail within the family and no major conflict between family members is expected to arise. The arrival of guests and relatives will relatively create a positive and pleasant environment within the house. There is a possibility of improvement in your father's health, but he may once again suffer from some kind of physical pain or discomfort between 15th September to 20th November. Take care of him. This year is very important to take special care of your parents' health, or else you may have to face problems. At home, your relationship with your younger siblings will remain favorable. Scorpio horoscope 2021 marital life and children. According to Scorpio marriage horoscope 2021, Mercury is going to be posited in the 7th house of Scorpio zodiac sign natives throughout this year, which can create fluctuating situations in their life. The time between 22nd February to 14th April can be difficult since you can enter into an aggressive argument with your beloved, which can further worsen things. Apart from this, several health problems can negatively impact your married life. You are expected to remain careful in the month of May, as one small dispute can lead to bigger arguments and worsen the situations. Try to spend this time happily. January, March, April, May, June and October is expected to be much better for married life. During this time, love will grow in your relationship. Spend time with your spouse as much as possible. In the month of August, you are expected to attain some kind of benefits due to your life partner. Apart from this, even your life partner will get benefited from you in the month of March. In regards to children, the time period till April for Scorpio zodiac sign natives is expected to incur favorable results. After this, your children may fulfill their objectives and gain achievement in the month of September to November. The rest of the year is expected to be normal. Scorpio 2021 horoscope, you may receive many opportunities for financial gain. According to Scorpio horoscope 2021, the year may bring mixed results for Scorpio individuals. As the year will progress, you are likely to be more energetic, courageous, and even be able to stick to your New Year resolutions. Moreover, the transit of Saturn in Capricorn will make you courageous, and the transit of Jupiter in Aquarius will make you stick firm on the decision that you would take out of courage. As per 2021 Scorpio horoscope, the year may be quite progressive as you will be determined to achieve what you are clear to achieve. Additionally, there are high chances that you may get many good opportunities for financial gains. However, earnings may be moderate, but the sources are likely to be robust and may give long-term returns. Moreover, you may also find the outcome of the earnings becoming stable and steady. You also may be admired by your peers and friends about identifying the opportunity and then giving a steady focus upon the same. According to Scorpio predictions, it may be one of your memorable years as you are likely to achieve your goals through your determination and hard work. Personal opportunities for Scorpio. With 2 planets in the other water signs and 2 in earth signs, you are well supported in much of what you attempt this year. With planets continuously in Taurus from February until June, can bring the most productive period of your year. Scorpio 2021 love predictions. The love prediction for Scorpio in 2021 suggests a major change in your romantic relationship. If you are already dating someone, then this might be the perfect year for you to become engaged. It is best to propose between mid-April and the first week of May when Venus is in Taurus. If engagement is not on your mind, then it is other big questions that will rear their head in your relationship. Is it the right time to have a baby? If you are single, should you try to begin a romantic relationship? If you are in a relationship, is it time to break up? Consider these questions early on in the year. By autumn, Mars in Capricorn will let you know what to do. Scorpio horoscope 2021 peace and harmony in relationship. According to Scorpio astrology prediction 2021, the year is likely to be favorable for you in respect to love and relationship. If you are already in a relationship, then this may prove good for your relationship. Moreover, the transit of Saturn and Jupiter will bring stability in your relationship. You will be happy with the relationship that you have been leading and shall also see a steady rise in social status. But for singles, the year may not have much good news to offer. If you are single, then this year you may be unable to find one partner to lead a good life, says Scorpio horoscope 2021. Make sure you do not lose your hope as the end of the year will give some light moments with someone special. This will slowly blossom into a romantic relationship in the years to come. Scorpio horoscope 2021 favorable year for academics. The other good area of improvement this year will be your academics and practical learning. According to Scorpio 2021 horoscope, Saturn and Jupiter may enable you to learn very well and even make you apply your knowledge practically. Furthermore, Saturn is well placed to make you practice what you have learned, and Jupiter will coordinate very well with your conceptual knowledge. Therefore, learning will be encouraging and rewarding in the days to come. Additionally, students and individuals planning to pursue any skill that is unique and in demand must learn the same and practice this year. The year 2021 may prove to be a wonderful year for improving your skills and knowledge. Scorpio horoscope 2021 new career opportunities are foreseen. According to Scorpio Astrology 2021, there are high chances of getting many new career opportunities. New initiatives may be rewarding and you will find the career progress in a much rewarding fashion. But at the same time, you will need to bring stability in your career by exploring new avenues to work and experiment with its earnings. Your efforts will be good and it would be rewarding in the long run. Even if you are planning to take up an independent venture, then it may turn out to be a rewarding phase for you. Scorpio horoscope says the aspect of Jupiter upon the career house will make you progressive and successful. Furthermore, Saturn in Capricorn will make you take risks and even take them successfully. According to Scorpio horoscope, the transit of Saturn is well placed. The year 2021 will be also good as far as your health is concerned. You are likely to enjoy good stamina and even remain fit. Moreover, Jupiter transit in Aquarius may make you fit. As per Scorpio horoscope prediction, you will be health conscious and shall also take adequate importance of your diet. 2021 Scorpio horoscope, the year may enhance wealth prospects. Further, the year will be good for wealth acquisition. Additionally, Jupiter in the zodiac of Aquarius will accentuate the opportunity to acquire wealth. As per Scorpio yearly horoscope 2021, you are likely to be successful in all walks of life of accumulating wealth. However, if you are trying to seek credit or loans, then this can later reduce your income earning capacity. According to Scorpio horoscope, this year 2021 may enhance marriage prospects. The year may be favorable for you if you are planning to marry your beloved. Your horoscope says that you are likely to be happy in your married life. Your planets suggest you to be more understanding of your partner and avoid arguments. Additionally, try to maintain a good temperament. Scorpio health in 2021. The health of Scorpios may be neglected in 2021 because the natives will be too busy in their social life. This means they should try their best to live a healthy life and to exercise. Fortunately, there are no indications that they may get seriously sick this year. On the contrary, there are signs that they are going to be fit and have a lot of self-confidence. Scorpio 2021 marriage horoscope, the year is favorable for married couples. According to Scorpio marriage horoscope, this year 2021 is likely to be a bit challenging for your married life. However, the year will be favorable for married couples. If you have been trying to settle down in your relationship through marriage, you are advised not to proceed with the idea until the end of the first 3 quarters. This means the last 3 months of the year, October, November and December 2021, may be much better for your marriage plans and settling down with your life partner. The rest of the year is not supportive for you if you are dating for long, says the Scorpio 2021 marriage horoscope. According to Scorpio family horoscope 2021, in the initial few months of the year, you may not get the support of your seniors or elders in the family to settle down. Therefore, for the initial few months, you are advised to take care of your personal relationship and think twice before taking any decision. Once the wind of obstruction comes to an end, around the end of September 2021, you may initiate the discussion for marriage and even tie the nuptial knot. For singles, the year 2021 is likely to be average as per Scorpio marriage prediction. For a major part of the year, you may not be in a mood to find an ideal partner of your choice. In fact, around the month of April, May, June and July 2021, you will feel loneliness in your life and this may boggle you down, according to the Scorpio marriage horoscope. Furthermore, you may not be socially interested in maintaining much connection with anyone. This is one area where you will have to be careful as you may slowly develop disenchantment towards your friends and social circle. Saturn suggests you to try your best and not to lose your emotional state of mind, as you can be disturbed for not finding an ideal partner. Scorpio Marriage Horoscope 2021. Spend some quality time to make your relationship strong. But as it is said that nothing remains static for life, thus, towards the end of November 2021, you are likely to find some interest in someone being developed. You may even muster the courage to propose to him or her for an alliance. Ideally, you should hold on and allow the relationship to mature and then seek allegiance from the newly found partner. You are advised to spend more quality time with each other to make your relationship strong, else you can see some initial failure in the relationship. According to your marriage horoscope, try not to hurry up in matters of the heart, as this may be disturbing in your case. Take them lightly and slowly allow the love life to blossom to a new level. Finally, the year will end on a good note if you are married and settled as per Scorpio 2021 family horoscope. Furthermore, the aspect of Jupiter in the zodiac of Gemini will completely control the difference of opinion that can arise from a married relationship. Therefore, the year is likely to end on a good note for one and all. Thus, you are likely to be happy with the way life will turn for you in 2021. Have a beautiful year ahead, all you Scorpions.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.